Everybody, thanks for watching. And just a quick reminder that the last 6 sale is still available for everyone who had reserved their spot, 50 people. That link has been sent to you guys. You have until the 26th to go ahead and purchase for the lifetime membership. The 26th will be the last day for everybody who wanted to get the final spots. The link will be available on the website at merkabahacademy.com. You'll see it right there, and you'll be able to purchase up until the last spots is filled. So definitely take advantage. Just want to update you guys on Merkabah Academy. There's already new videos on Merkabah Academy as we speak. Some new features are going to be coming this week, so you guys are going to be able to follow people that's on the site. You'll be able to friend request people and everything like that, almost sort of like how Facebook is. You'll be able to follow people. You'll be able to post what you want to post and be able to basically post from your Instagram, stuff that you have on Instagram, and things like that. It's going to be geared towards people being able to interact a lot more. So we're updating that. That will be up and available probably on Monday or Tuesday. So you'll see your profile pictures change, your whole profile page will change. A lot of you guys may have to subscribe or register. If you do, you'll get an email and you'll basically just set up a page all over again, and it's going to be much better. So I've been trying to get all the bugs out of the program so far, and whenever you start something new that has to do with software and things like this, a whole site, is always going to be kinks. I know a lot of you guys having problems signing in. You keep getting redirected to WordPress, and you don't need to sign up with WordPress if you get redirected. All you have to do is basically open up a new tab and basically just go to realmerkabah.com and just relog in. It should work. If it doesn't, then shoot me an email. But once we do this whole switch over to the new layout and the new profile pages where you guys can request friends and follow and everything like that, that problem should be resolved, and it shouldn't be a problem logging in. But a lot more features are going to be coming. As I said, I've been getting a lot of emails from people about their businesses, and that's going to be coming. So in the next week, it's going to be a drastic change to the overall site. A lot more features are going to be available. It's going to be a lot more social. You'll be able to follow and talk to people a lot more, send messages and everything like that. And eventually, as I said, it's a small part of a bigger site. Eventually, it's going to be almost like Facebook, but for conscious people, basically for conscious people. So it's just going to give you a lot more access to a lot more things, and you'll be able to interact with a lot more people who's interested in the same stuff you are. There's going to be, as I said, the book club. There's going to be topics that we're going to talk about. A lot of stuff you'll see. So the whole site is getting switched. It's a lot more being added, as I said. I'm trying to make it a lot more easier and get rid of the little bugs that we see so far. For the people that have free accounts, like I said, a lot of the features are not going to be available to you guys until the overall site is put up. So as I said, I did the sale for people to get lifetime membership. I know a lot of people are having trouble with the prices, but as I said, you can start at as low as $35 a month, and now you have the option for the lifetime membership for $279.99 for the people who sign up. So I've done what I could to make it more affordable for those who are having problems or have trouble with the prices. So definitely take advantage while you can. The last 6 sale, definitely take advantage while you can. I'm gonna keep it up until Monday again. Yeah, so I just wanted to definitely touch bases with you guys on this. As I said, books are coming in. I have the opportunity, as I said, to get all 5,000 books, and I'm actually fighting to get more. There's a lot of people who want books, but once I get all these books in, they're going to go quick. So when I post it, which will be coming soon, everybody who already paid for their books, you'll be getting your books soon. But for everybody else, when I put it up there for sale, trust me, don't hesitate, because there's a lot of people that's asking about the books, and they're going to go probably within that same couple days. So definitely take advantage when I post the link. When I post it up there, definitely grab it as soon as possible, because I don't know how long it's going to be to where I can get more, and what's going to happen with this whole thing. So I'll talk about that more once this is through, because it's some legal stuff. But when it's over, we'll get into all that whole process. But thanks for being patient for you guys. it's crazy. You know, I feel like they holding the process and stopping the process from being completed. You know, don't want to get all conspiracy theory about it, but it should have been done, and it's a holdup. You know, it's the issue. But this is why I'm getting all the books, so I don't have to worry about that, and it'll be a lot easier. And like I said, you guys will be getting it from USPS or from Amazon when it comes. But thank you guys for your patience. So there are going to be a lot more videos coming to Merkabah Academy. A lot of new stuff. Like I said, my focus right now is getting it operational to where I want it to be. To where you guys can interact with a lot of the stuff that's going to be coming. As I said, you'll be able to follow people. I see you guys have uploaded a lot of profile pictures and everything like that, but you know, soon you guys will have access to your profile page so you can customize it the way you want, so on and so forth. So it's going to be a lot. For those who, a lot of people asked about what is the gold, silver, whatever, so on and so forth. As I said, one of the purposes for the site is to basically separate the fake, you know, from the people who really is into this stuff. So, you know, I'm not going to waste my time and do lectures and do live videos for people who just there to, you know, spy or, you know, do whatever they're doing. So the people who have, you know, certain levels of membership, I would say from silver on up, you guys will have access to live lectures. There's going to be a lot of live stuff I'm going to be doing. There's going to be a workshop. I'm going to do a seminar. Also, I'm gonna have my podcast is going to be going up. That's going to be another thing. I'm going to be on a few internet radio shows, so that'll be going up. It's going to be a lot of stuff like that. It's a lot more stuff that I'm going to be getting involved with as far as, you know, really getting people to understand Merkabah Academy and why it's going to be a good thing once it's completed. And you know, after this lifetime membership, there's not going to be another one. So, you know, definitely get in there now and get it, because it won't be because of what's going to happen once, you know, everything gets done. I know it's going to be, everybody's going to jump on it. A lot of people are going to want to be involved with it. And it's a certain number I want to get to as far as lifetime members, just for reasons I'll discuss later on. But it's going to be beneficial to everybody. But yeah, after this one, there won't be no more. So everybody who's locked in for lifetime, that'll be it. It'll be no other people. It'll just be you guys. And everybody that's a lifetime member, if you got into lifetime membership, you'll have access to everything. So your level doesn't matter what it says. If you lifetime, you basically got access to everything, as you'll see. So the lectures, the live lectures, everything that's going to be coming up, you guys have access to that if you lifetime, and so on and so forth. But for the people who have free accounts, you'll be able to benefit from all the benefits that the site will basically have. I'm not just going to, like, you know, leave you guys hanging. It's just some of the other features you guys will have access to, but things like, you know, black businesses and some new videos, of course, you guys will be able to see that won't be on YouTube. You guys will be able to see things like that. As I said, as people coming to the channel, you'll be able to see some of their stuff on a free account. And, you know, as I said, as it grows, you'll see. So the plan is laid out for it. Everything is in motion. It's just time, you know. It was the same thing with my last site, but, you know, that wasn't what I wanted it to be. Now I have the opportunity and finally the money to do what I need to do with this site. And it's going to be great. So I really appreciate you guys for becoming members and for definitely being patient with everything in the whole process. All of this stuff will be done this year. So before the year is over, it'll be taken care of. Everything will be up and running, and it'll be running smooth. So definitely look forward to your profile pages changing. You'll get an email if you need to register and reset up your account. Most likely all you guys will probably have to re-register, to tell you the truth. It probably only be a few pages that might be the same, but most likely I'll probably have everybody re-register, because how different everything is going to change. It'll be a lot easier. And as you can see, registering is real simple. So you'll get an email if you need to. As far as you know, the videos on YouTube, as I said, videos are going to be coming still to YouTube until YouTube takes it down. I have a feeling that that's coming, that people pages are going to start to be taken down. So just in case that happens, I want to stay ahead of that curve. So, you know, we have Merkabah Academy, and it's definitely going to be a lot better than what I can post on YouTube. So definitely appreciate you guys for becoming members and for taking advantage of what I'm doing here. And yeah, you'll see new videos still coming for YouTube. New videos already on Merkabah Academy. Yeah, and I see you guys next video, and thanks for your patience and support.